Member for Edmonton Strathcona.
Mr. Speaker, Canadians were shocked to learn that Indian Prime Minister Modi has been invited to the G7 meetings here. This is deeply troubling and hurtful for the Sikh community and for all Canadians that are concerned about human rights and foreign interference. And now we find out that the Saudi leader has also been invited. This G7 is becoming, honestly, it's becoming a showcase of tyrants. Will this Prime Minister rescind those invitations and make sure that the people coming to this G7 believe in human rights and believe in people, not profits?
The Honourable Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Mr. Speaker, the Prime Minister and I have spoken with our Indian counterparts, and there has been an agreement for continued law enforcement dialogue. I will say, Mr. Speaker, that the G7 is a critical forum for global leaders to have productive and frank discussions. The RCMP's independent investigation is ongoing, and in this country, the rule of law will never be compromised. We will always stand up for the safety and security of Canadians. Thank you.